I don't think it could rain much harder here, but poor old drain's working its ass off, trying to drain the lake. That's marks where the drain starts.